Guys, analyzing data is one of the crucial part that can help us to grow our YouTube channel. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. I'm going to explain you, or I'm going to show you how you can analyze the data using analytics, YouTube's free tool, which you get in your YouTube studio, and how you can analyze the data, and according to that data you can create new content and grow your YouTube channel eventually, right? So let's directly jump into my YouTube studio and I'll show you how you can use YouTube analytics for your channel growth. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my YouTube studio, right? This is the dashboard. So I need to click on the analytics option so that I can analyze, or I can see all the data related to my YouTube channel. Now here you can see that this is the overview section. Then we do have content, audience, revenue, and research section. So we got 5 sections over here. So if your channel is monetized, you'll also be able to see these 5 sections only. And if you haven't monetized your YouTube channel, then the revenue section will not be there in your YouTube studio, right? Only 4 sections. Now in the overview section, you can see that in last 28 days here, this is the date filter you can apply. Like you can go for last 7 days, 28, 90, 365, or lifetime, or different other options are here, right? So whatever the option suits you, you can set, and according to that time frame you can see the data. So as you can see, in last 28 days we got 15,000 views, this much watch time, this much subscribers, and the revenue. And in the here in the right hand side you can see the real time data. Like this is the real time subscriber count, and this is the views in last 48 hours. And if you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see your top content in last 48 hours. And here you can see in a bit better view about your top working content, or you can say top trending content in your channel, right? So these are the content which are getting views right now, right? And this is the latest content. So this was all about the overview section. You get some good amount of overview of each data, like views, watch time, subscribers, revenue, and top performing content, everything, right? But if you want to go in depth about your data, then you need to go to the audience and the content section. These two options will help you to find out that which kind of content or which type of content you should create in future, so that your channel can grow eventually, right? So let's click on the content section, and when we click on content section, here we'll be able to see a graph over here, that how much views we are getting on a daily basis, right? As you can see here you can see again views. This is the impression in last 28 days. This is the click-through rate. And 5% is a good or acceptable click-through rate. Below 5% is not so great, and above 5% is really a great click-through rate, right? And this is the average duration, which means around almost 3 minutes our audience is watching our videos, right? So this is the average one, which means some audience might watch the whole video, and some audience might leave the video within 10 seconds of the video. So this is the average number, right? And again, according to the time frame, you can set the data. Like if you want to go with the last 90 days, you can do that as well, right? Takes a little bit time, few seconds to load the data. If your internet is working fine, within few seconds you will be able to see the data properly, right? So let me go back to 28 days. If you scroll a little bit down, but before that let me show you. So this data is for the videos, right? But if you want to go, or if you want to see the data about post, then this is the post data, and this is the playlist data, like how much views your playlist is getting, as you can see here. And this is the data for last 28 days. Keep this thing in mind, right? Now if I go to videos again, if you scroll a little bit down here, you will be able to see key moment for your audience retention, that where your audience is spending most of the time on your YouTube channel. So these are the videos. These are above typical intros and still watching at 30 seconds, so basically more than 30 seconds, right? And this is below typical intros. So 5 suggestions you get over here, and here you'll be able to see how viewers find your videos. So here this will show that from where you are getting views. So in the top we do have YouTube search, then playlist, suggested videos, external, then browse feature, and few other options are there. So this is the overall. If you go for external, then you will be able to see only external options like Google search, then WhatsApp, Yahoo, right? And then here we do have YouTube search, then suggested videos, then playlists. So these are the crucial data which will help you to find that from where I'm getting views, right? And here your top performing videos, top 5 performing videos in last 28 days. So this was all about the content section. We do have many other options as well. I'll show you one by one. Then we do have the audience option, where, so this was all about the data related to content, but now when we click on audience, you'll see all the data related to audience. So this is the number of returning viewers, and this is a little bit low. As you can see, we got around 10k, 10,000 new viewers. Right here you can see 10,000 new viewers, but compared to the new viewers, we are getting only 700 returning viewers, which means we need to work in the content quality, because if your content quality is not good, okay, then the returning viewer will be very less on your YouTube channel. And if you are creating content on a regular basis, on a daily basis, then the new viewers will increase your YouTube channel. But if you're not providing quality content, or if you're not providing quality into your those so-called regular videos, then definitely you will not get the returning viewers. So keep this thing in mind. So here we see three matrices. First one, returning viewers, unique viewers, and subscribers. How much subscriber we got in last 28 days, right? If we scroll a little bit down, here we'll be able to see videos grow by your audience, right? So these are the videos which are getting grown, or which are getting a good amount of views by our audience who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. And here we'll be able to see channels your audience watches. So we don't have that much data in last 28 days. That's why it is not showing, right? So basically this shows that other channels which your viewers are watching. Then here we do have what your audience watches. So here you'll be able to see the topics that your audience likes to watch, right? And here formats your viewers watch on YouTube. So what are the formats our viewers watch on YouTube? The first one is videos. They really like to watch videos. Then the second number is shorts, and the third number is on live. So the most thing they like is videos, right? And here on the left hand side, you'll be able to see when your viewers are on YouTube. This is very important metric according to me, because it helps you to find out that majority of your viewers, majority of your subscribers are live or are on YouTube in which timing. So basically you can find out the timing when your majority of subscribers or majority of audiences on YouTube, right? So as you can see, these are the dark ones shows that the majority of the viewers are available on this time. As you can see, if I hover my cursor over here, it will show very few of your viewers are on YouTube. But if I hover my cursor over here on the dark tile, here it shows that very many of your viewers are on YouTube. Let me show you once again. Very many viewers are on YouTube, right? So this is how you can find out. Then top geographies, like from where or from which countries, which continents we are getting views. So around India 35%, then Pakistan 9%, Bangladesh 7%, United States 7%, Nigeria 2%. So this is how you can get an idea that from where I'm getting views. Right here you'll be able to see subscriber bell notification, that how many of your subscribers have turned on the bell notification. Right after this, we do have watch time from subscribers. So how many or how much watch time we are getting from our subscribers, or basically you can get an idea that how many of the viewers have subscribed to our YouTube channel. So the people who visit our YouTube channel, almost 4% have subscribed, and 96% of those users haven't subscribed yet. So it is my humble request to you to please subscribe our YouTube channel, right? And here in the right hand side, you'll see top subtitle or CC language. So here you can see that the videos which have subtitles, or in which subtitles we are getting views. So no subtitles are in the majority because we haven't added subtitles manually, and the English one is also automated, which is 13%, and there is no Arabic, Portuguese, which are basically auto translated, right? Now in the age and gender, here you can find out that which or majority is male or female in your YouTube channel or user specified, right? And here you can see the age part, like which age bracket watches your video the most, right? So this is what we got in the audience section. Then we have this revenue section where we'll be able to see the revenue, that how much earning we are getting through our YouTube videos. And if you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see your monthly revenues. So our channel got recently monetized, so we are not getting any noticeable revenue over here. But yeah, eventually when your channel grows, definitely you get good amount of views and good amount of revenue as well, because we run other channels as well. Our main channel, which is Marketing Fundas only, this is Marketing Fundas Global. If you go on youtube.com and search Marketing Fundas, you'll get our main channel, which has almost like 500,000 subscribers. So that channel generates good amount of views and even good amount of revenue as well, right? And if I give you a glimpse that how much revenue we are generating from that channel, so the number is in thousands, almost like 4 or 5k, right? So I've given you the number or the idea that how much revenue you can get from YouTube. Now in the research section, you see different types of topics which your audience likes or which are related to your channel's content. So you can get an idea about like which type of content you can create. So this is totally for the research purposes. You can research different types of videos and find out the best topics which you can use for your next videos, right? Future videos. Here even you can search the keywords as well. Like if I want to search digital marketing, right, this is a keyword, and once I hit the enter, I can see that how much potential this keyword has, or what are the videos people are creating on this keyword, right? As you can see, searched on YouTube. So these are the search terms. If I click on see all, I'll be able to see. So these are the search terms people are using. So I can use these search terms, or I can use these uh, topics to create my videos, or I can use, or I can add these keywords into my videos as well, right? So this was all about the analytics, but here we do have one more advanced option. Let's say I click on overview or any other option, right? In the top right side, I'll be able to see advanced mode, right? On whatever the option you click, like you have clicked on the audience or content or overview, you'll be able to see that the advanced mode is constantly over here. So just click on this and you will be able to analyze the data on a advanced mode, right? So here we get some extra options, right? Detailed options. On the basis of content, you can analyze the data, right? On the basis of traffic source, then geography, cities, viewers age, tons of options are here. And I can't tell you, or I can't explain you one by one all the options. You need to check out all these options individually. You need to go to your YouTube studio and check out all these options, and definitely you will see some good data, and according to that data you need to work further, right? Here you can see content, traffic, traffic source, geography, cities, viewer age, viewer gender, date, revenue source, like from where you are getting revenue. Then in the more, you see tons of extra options: subscription status, subscription source, content type, playlist, device type. Even you can see, or you can analyze the device types as well, like from where you are getting views, from which device type you are getting views: mobile, computer, tablets, or whatever it is, right? If I click on device type, let me click on this. Here you will be able to see that majority of views we are getting from computers, because we are providing digital marketing content. So people do like to learn about digital marketing on their laptops, on their computers, not on mobile phones, right? Mobile phones are most friendly with the entertainment content, right? Then here we do have playlist, okay, ad type, transaction type, YouTube product, then playback location, operating system. Even you can analyze the operating systems as well. So in future this data can be very useful when you are designing any product, designing any course or any kind of extra thing. These data helps very extensively to their users. So it is suggested to check out all these options on your YouTube studio, so that you can do some manual thing, you can do some practical thing, and definitely you'll be able to remember that how this whole thing works, right? So with that said, I want to take your leave. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And if you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. With that said, sayonara.